Okay, so today I want to talk about first impressions and how it relates to your LinkedIn profile photo. You can never make a first impression twice. If you make a bad first impression, you need another 8 interactions to remove the first bad impression. Okay, so today I want to talk about first impressions and how it relates to your LinkedIn profile photo. Recently, I've received quite a number of connection requests from people who have no profile photos or photos that resembles a brand logo or picture of like animals. I want to tell you, on LinkedIn itself, it's a professional platform, and if your target audience are professionals, people working in like office or doing like business, they want to see like a real picture of you. So showing a picture of you means, a picture of you that looks like this, having the head and the shoulders, and they should be able to sense whether you're friendly, whether you're competent, whether you're a professional. So from your profile photo, they should be able to tell if you're a professional, whether you're competent, because that's what you want when you're on LinkedIn. You either want to look for a job, for more career opportunities, or get more clients and customers. Okay. When you go for a date, you dress up to make the best impression. When you go for an interview, you wear clothes that are ironed and they are really neat and nice, and you pimp yourself up. When you're on LinkedIn itself, you want to put up the best part of you, which is your profile picture. So if you don't put up a profile picture, what people will think that you have something to hide. When they see like a different picture of you compared to when they see you in real life, they're like, hang on a minute, why does this person look different online than offline? So this creates doubts and mistrust or distrust, for that matter. And trust is the currency of all relationships. With the profile photo, you show everyone you're transparent, you are open, and you are not afraid to show yourself for who you really are. So if you want to form more meaningful connections, you want to start on the right foot. So if you want to form more meaningful connections, valuable connections, start off the relationship with trust. That means putting up a good, clear picture of yourself so people can see you clearly and they know who they are talking to. So whether you are leaving a comment on their article or post, or whether you are sending them a direct message, they will be able to see your photo. And that's what you want. So another tip is, if some of you who already have a picture, but you're not setting your picture to public, you're setting it to only for your connections only. So when people search for you and they're not connected to you yet, so they might not exactly see a picture of you as well. So you might want to look into that, especially if you are looking for job opportunities and you're not connected to the recruiters yet. So they want to be able to see a picture of you that's really, that makes you look good, you stand out, and you look very professional. So if you're not sure if your picture looks professional enough, check out photofiller.com. That's a really good website where you can get some feedback on how professional your photo looks. Or alternatively, you can send an email or you can write a post asking for your network opinion, whether you look professional enough and whether you should improve on your photo. So what do you think about making the first good impression? Nearly forgot about this. If you make a bad first impression, you need another 8 interactions to remove the first bad impression. So you don't want that to happen. Make relationships building easy. Start off on the right foot and put your best self out, the best image of yourself out. So what do you think about making a first good impression with an impressive LinkedIn photo? And if you enjoyed this video, tap on the red button, subscribe, and tap on the little bell icon to receive notifications for more new exciting videos. So till next time, ciao!